right, Kev? Come on, check out this 2017 freewheeler. John, customer, brought this thing to us. Basically black.
The freewheeler fenders came back out just like a bobtail fender, straight back.
Yaffe makes these.
Yep.
And it's funny because I, walking through the building, I saw these, and I'm going, where? I don't think I've ever seen those, and I kept forgetting to ask about it. So
They look like fenders.
Yeah, they're cool.
John did his research.
Yeah, John did everything. I mean, the wheels, he picked out the wheels.
Gorgeous.
We changed the front wheel up, went to a 21, put that little longer front fender also. Went crazy on the motor. Went from a 107 to a 125.
Oh, wow.
So that's the S&S kit, basically bolt-on kit. The only thing that we had to do was we did a valve job and put new springs in.
Oh, okay.
But new cam, new oil pump, new cylinders went, 4.25, big boys.
They were like big block, Chevy big block pistons.
Really?
I'm not kidding, man. They were that big around.
Wow.
Yep, PV4 controller, so this thing is, it's set that way. I'm gonna let Ryan get crazy with the paint.
The story starts. John is a decorated Marine veteran, which explains the engine.
Got it.
I mean, he knows his trike. He's a Marine, so he wants to go even faster on his
I got
trike.
you.
And being that he's a Marine, he was very thorough with all his research and everything.
Yeah.
What he didn't want was, how we do a lot of parade procession bikes, and trikes and stuff.
Right.
He didn't want that, but he wanted to pay homage to his career in the Marine Corps.
Got it.
And pay tribute to the Marine Corps itself.
Yeah.
He served quite a few tours,
Mm-hmm.
and he's lost some friends, so he wanted to pay homage to the friends that he lost.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's totally humbling when you walk up on it
Yeah.
and you start seeing,
It makes
start reading.
it makes the back of your neck, the hair on the back of your neck go. I mean,
It's another tearjerker.
it is.
But what I did with the paint effectively took a Marine uniform
Mm-hmm.
and influence and spread it all throughout the bike. So you've got the blue for the pants, you got the red stripe going down the side,
Yep.
you've got the red pinstripe on the black coat.
How in the world did you do
Oh, it's a pain in the ass.
The glasses.
Wow, man.
The glasses at Walmart are great.
Oh yeah, that's when Mike caught me with 2 sets of glasses on, double magnifiers.
Oh, right.
But John also wanted to, normally these have a rack right here for luggage.
Yeah.
He still wants to be able to use the rack, but he wanted something to cover up the holes.
Got
So we made this fiberglass piece with a little spoiler on the back so where it covers up the holes, but the holes are still useful and you can throw the rack back
So
on
you
it.
pop this off and
Pop
then
that off,
put
put the
the-
rack back on, and
Nice.
it's like it never happened.
I mean, I love those colors. I love the Marine uniform color.
Right.
I mean, that is just gorgeous. The whole vibe. When you look at this, it just has an attitude about it.
Has a respectful attitude.
Yeah. Yeah.
So we got his rank right there on the front of the box.
Oh yeah.
His company,
Yeah.
the division. At the same time, he wanted to hide some badassery.
Yeah.
So we've got skulls, real subtle ghosted skulls.
Yeah.
A lot of detail.
Right. I see that.
On the front, that's the belt buckle for the Marine uniform.
Man, that is beautiful. Man, you covered everything. Yeah.
This was the original seat.
Uh-huh.
We just cut it back and then recovered it.
Oh.
So we gave him as much more room because he's still 6'5".
He's a Marine.
Yeah. He's no nonsense
I was
Marine.
6'5"
Yeah.
Before what happened to me,
Yeah.
I'm still 6'5" now.
Yeah. Hey, just real quick though, Ryan, on the back of it, I just
You
noticed
saw that?
where those are the tail lights.
Right. These fenders came to us raw. No lights in it.
Oh,
at
and
all.
you put the lights in
Yeah,
there.
Put
cut
the
out
lights
the
on.
holes.
Oh.
I cut the holes and everything, the acrylic lenses in there,
Yeah.
and molded everything and then painted over. But we've been doing this 20 years with these taillights.
It looks good like this. Like it
Right.
looks like you could have ordered it that way.
Yeah.
Right.
Well, you can from us.
That is cool.
So
Man.
yeah, he put the light box in it, and then I just
Right.
wired it all to
Yeah.
factory Harley.
Man, I tell you, that blue color
Oh yeah.
with the red.
And it's all swirled and shadowed and shaded.
Yeah,
It's real
man.
subtle. So when you get it in certain lights, you see the ripples of the pants and the ripples of the ribbon. It's got a goldy purple heart right there on the back of the fender. That's what all counts across.
Wow.
He wanted it detailed, but he didn't want a parade bike.
Yeah, no, this is him.
This is a respectable homage to the Marine Corps and John, things that John likes.
Right. He did it right. What he wanted, he's right on the money. What you guys did to make it his dream come true. Wow.
Yeah.
Yeah. You guys put it all together.
Wait, you want to hear this thing?
Yeah, let's hear it. That thing sounds fantastic. What, if I had to guess, because I know Sturgis is coming up,
Yeah.
is John taking it to Sturgis?
Yeah, it's gonna get picked up
Uh-huh,
and taken back towards his home.
uh-huh.
He lives out in Colorado.
Oh, okay.
And then
He's gonna go over to Sturgis
Yeah.
with it?
Colorado's got so much beautiful riding.
This thing right here will be a huge hit in Sturgis.
I believe so.
A huge hit, because there are so many veterans that ride, and they're gonna love it. When they see this, they're gonna tear up, because this thing is gorgeous. It pays homage.
Cool.
But yeah, it's
So, before we shift it out,
Yeah.
I get the green light from one of the bosses, and
double green light.
green light, good deal.
I tell you, when I first started looking at it, man, I had a little lump in my throat, because people don't realize. I mean, a lot of people do, but there's a lot of people that also don't realize what it takes to be in the military, and to complete service, and to go on several different tours, and be around all that, and then come back and try and live a normal life. That's got to be difficult. It's got to be difficult, but what these guys go through training wise, and then carrying out their orders, they're amazing. They're amazing individuals, and God bless them, man.
They do that for a lot of reasons, but one of them is to let us do what we do.
Yep.
Yeah,
And I thank them
It's one of
for
the reasons.
Yeah.
To keep us safe.
yeah. Man, that thing is gorgeous.
Cool.
I want one of those. Just made me think, hey, I want one of those.
I think I want to ride it.